Welcome dear students for the fourth session. I am Samuel. So in this session, two terms of an AP will be given and based on it we get a lot of models. So to make it simpler, I'll give an introduction. T7 means n is given as 7. Look here, we know Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. T7 means a plus 7 minus 1 into d. T7 is called a plus 6d. So T7 is nothing but a plus 6d in the right direction. For example, T9 means n is equal to 9. It is called a plus 8d. You can check it. We put Tn equal to again a plus n minus 1 into d. T8 equal to a plus 8 minus 1 into d. T8 is a plus 7d. So in future when two terms of an AP is given, you can reduce it like that. For example, T20 means you must write n equal to 20. The thing will be a plus 1 number is reduced from this. You get 20 minus 1. That is 19d. So like that you can find anything. For example, T80 means n stands for 80. You will get the answer. A plus 1 number you must reduce in 80. You get a plus 79d. A plus 79d. So hope you understood. So hereafter we will straight away write it. Again I repeat this introduction. T7 means you must write n equal to 7. Straight away you must write the answer a plus 6d. One number you must reduce it. T9 means n stands for 9. N stands for 9. A plus 8d. T20 means n stands for 20, you must reduce one number, a plus 19d. T80 means n stands for 80, you must write as a plus 17d. Now we will go to the sums. I told you, in this model, two terms will be given. 8th element. Element is also called by the word 8th term. And 20th element. Element means also the word term. Both are same. So two of them are given and from that they'll ask lot of questions. So 8th term means T8 equal to 22 is given. And you must write here n is equal to 8. And you can write T8 stands for a plus 7d equal to 22. I told you already. If not, you can do in the rough work. Look here. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. T8, put n equal to 8, you get a plus 8 minus 1 into d. T8 equal to a plus 7d. So instead of doing that, straight away I told you when n equal to 8 means reduce one number here. Next is given as what? The 20th term. T20 is equal to, it's given as 46. So it's n is equal to 20. So straight away you can write this as a plus 19d equal to 46. You call this equation 1, you call this equation 2. Now we have to solve this to get the value of a and d. So what you do is you subtract equation 1 and equation 2. Because a is having same coefficient, this will become minus, this will become minus, this will become minus. When you subtract, a will get cancelled. 7d minus 19d is minus 12d. 46 and 22, if you subtract 6 minus 2, 24, you get minus 24. When minus comes two times, both the places, you can remove it. D is equal to 24 by 12, which is equal to 2. The common difference is nothing but 2. The common difference, we want it, we got it first. Next we want the first element a. D equal to 2, you can substitute in equation 1 or 2. 1 is better because 2 you change the signs. So I take equation 1, it says a plus 7d is equal to 22. A we have to find out, plus 7 into d is 2 equal to 22. You get a plus 14 equal to 22. A equal to 22 minus 14, which is 8. The first term is 8. So we want the first term, that also we got it. Then we must write the arithmetic progression. put the heading AP, or we'll write in the top. So we got A is equal to 8 and D is equal to 2. Before going to the third question, understand this. They'll give two elements or two terms. Eighth term means you write only n equal to 8 is 22. This will be given. Straight away write A plus 7D. Even if you want to refer. Similarly, T20 equal to 46 means n is 20. Straight away you can write A plus 19D. One number you reduce here. 20 means 19D. 30 means 29D. Like that. You get two equations. You know to solve a simultaneous equation. If you subtract 1 and 2, the A gets cancelled. So when the A gets cancels, you get what? Both the A gets cancelled. You get 7D minus 19D is minus 12D. So first we got minus 12D equal to minus 24. You got from this D, you got the value A. So A is 8 and D is 2. Now the AP is very easy. The third question is much easier now. Now we got the first term and common difference AP. Arithmetic progression is, you must write the first term 8. This is called term 1. To get the term 2, add the common difference 2. We got as what? 10. 8 plus 2 is 10 is term 2. To get the third term, 10 plus 2 is what? 12. This is the third term. If you go on put like this, the 8th term will be 22. 14 is the 4th term. 16 is the 5th term. 18 is the 6th term. 20 is the 7th term and 22 is the 8th term. You get the arithmetic progression. See, 8th term is 22 we got here. Okay, next you must find the 18th term. Look here, I told you T18. T18 means you put n is equal to 18. Straight away you can put A plus 17D. We saw now. So when this kind of sums given hereafter, you can put A plus 17D instead of it. So this 17D, you got it. 1 minute. A plus 17D. I told you when n is 18, you reduce it. You can, or you can use the formula, full formula, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, but this is shorter. Equal to A plus, A is actually 8. 1 minute. A is actually 8. A is supposed to be 8 plus 17 into D is supposed to be 2. 8 plus 34, which is equal to 42 is the answer. Equal to 42. So you can write 18th term equal to 42. Even that question is over. The last question is find the nth term. For nth term, use the full formula. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. For nth term, n is n only. So A is actually 8 plus nth term is n only. D is actually 2. So Tn, it's also called by L, equal to 8 plus, when you multiply 2 into n, you get 2n minus 2. So Tn equal to 2n, you write first, 8 minus 2 is plus 6. We got the nth term. So in this model, they'll give two terms. So we have to find all this. One more sum I'll do and show you, and then there are a lot of miscellaneous models in this. So Tn equal to 2n plus 6, we got the nth term. So what is nth term means? For example, it says 8th term is 22. When you put n equal to 8, n equal to 8, when you put T8 equal to 2 into 8 plus 6, 16 plus 6 is 22, you got it. Similarly, if you put n equal to 20 in this equation, you get the answer 46. We'll check it out. So T20 is equal to 2 into 20 plus 6, which is 40 plus 6, which is equal to 46. So this sum clearly explains everything. Hereafter, they'll give two terms, and I'll show you one more model in this. Again, we'll do one more model where two terms will be given simultaneously. So this model, which comes under the fourth session, actually you have to do the sessions properly, 1, 2, 3, then you must come to 4 to understand well. Don't directly jump off to fourth session. You have to understand AP well. It says 10th term of an AP. T10 is equal to 41. The 10th term is 41. You must write n equal to 10 and bracket you put given. And I told you 10th term means you must reduce 1 from this. Directly you can write a plus 9d, which is equal to 41. Call it equation number 1. Next it is given as 18th term. 18th, this is number 1. Number 2, they are given 18th term is equal to 73. Remember 18th term means n equal to 18. If you reduce 1, you get a plus 17d equal to 73. Equation number 2. Hope you understood the two equation. This is got directly actually. I told you if you want you can write Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That and all we saw in the first 3 sessions. In the first session is higher problem, straight away you can write this. Now to get the value of a and d you have to subtract. You put 1 minus 2 and put 2 dots. When you subtract, the bottom will all change the signs. A will get plus a and minus a will get cancelled. 9 minus 17d is minus 8d. And 73 minus 41 is 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 32 minus. Remember, minus is greater. When minus comes both sides, you can make it plus. So d is equal to 32 by 8, which is equal to 4. D is equal to 4. So we got the common difference. Common difference is nothing but d is equal to 4. Next, after getting d equal to 4, you can get the value of a in substituting in one of the equation. Equation 1 is very clear. 2 you change the signs and all, it's become very thin. 1 is better. So a plus 9d equal to 41. A we don't know. 9 into d is supposed to be 4 is 41. A plus 36 equal to 41. A equal to 41 minus 36, which is nothing but 5. A is equal to 5. This is the first term. So we got the first term also here. First term also I'll write here. A equal to 5. We'll continue. Now we got the first term A and the common difference D. Next they want the AP. AP is got by first, you must write the first term. First term is 5. This is called term 1. To get the second term, you must add the common difference. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So the second term is 9. Then 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. The third term is nothing but 13. If you go on put like this, the 10th term will be 41. This is called the AP. Next you must find the 26th term. So you write T26 means I told you n is equal to 26. Straight away you can write it hereafter. A plus, this you must reduce 1. 26 minus 1 is what? 25d. We got A and D in hand. So A is nothing but 5 plus 25 into D is nothing but 4. 5 plus 100, which is equal to 105. So you get term 26 equal to 105. Then they want the nth term. Nth term means you must write the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N stands for n only. So Tn equal to A is nothing but 5 plus n minus 1 into D is nothing but 4. So you get Tn equal to 5 plus 4 into n is 4n minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Tn equal to 4n plus 1. This is the nth term. If you want, you can check the 10th term. It says 10th term is 41. We'll check it. Put n equal to 10 both sides. When you put n equal to 10, look here. Tn equal to 4 into 10 plus 1, which is nothing but 41. So 10th term is nothing but 41. It also says 18th term is what? 18th term is 73. So from the general term or the nth term, you can check whether this 18th term is 73, whether the answer we got is correct. So put n equal to 18. So when you put n equal to 18, here you get T18 is equal to 4 into 18 plus 1. 4 18s are 8 4 32, 72 plus 1, which is nothing but 73. So what we got, the nth term is correct.